everyone, welcome to Rashmi's Vlog Life. If you are new to my channel, I am Rashmi. If you like my channel, please subscribe to Rashmi's Vlog Life. It's free. Today's video is all about hype created by one of the most popular cosmetic brand. It's launched yesterday through Nykaa website. It's none other than the Huda Beauty. 19th Jan Friday, which is apparently yesterday, Huda Beauty launched their range of products, 2 eyeshadow palettes, 23 matte liquid lipsticks, and eyelash glue and eyelashes. Quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video.
Subscribe Rashmi's Vlog Life. It's free. After subscribed, click on bell notification button. In that option, select all to get notified every time. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me and my channel.
Yesterday morning around 9ish I gave my order. I was waiting from midnight onwards to Huda Beauty to launch, and today is 20th Jan and I received my product through Nykaa. Thank you so much Nykaa for sending me within a day, and I'm basically a lipstick lover or lippy love person. In this video we will see unboxing, first impression, review and swatch test on Indian skin type, ear test about Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade of Heartbreaker, and finally I'll tell about exact similar dupe for this shade, which is this lipstick is all launched last year, but in India it's launched this Friday, which is yesterday. Let's jump into this product. So this came in Nykaa cardboard. For the time saving purpose, I just cut the sellotape so I can remove this. Once I removed it, wrapped in a bubble wrapper. Actual product and receipt I received. So before I get into the product, I'll tell about the cost for this. Original cost is $13.99 plus GST $250, so total $16.50. So moving on to this lipstick, this came in this package. The cover is a transparent sturdy one. On the top you can see Huda Cuten's social media is written, and price also mentioned here, and on another side you can see Huda Beauty is written, and both the side of this actual cardboard you can see the visible of shade and the shade name Heartbreaker. Behind this they gave the direction and how to use and product descriptions. From their website I'm going to tell what actual product claim is. Introducing Huda Beauty's latest lip beautifier, the Liquid Matte, an unrivaled take on the liquid lipstick, the tried and true comfort wear of formula from top beauty expert Huda Cuten. It's infused with antioxidants and exclusive complex to help maintain the lip hydration. The lightweight formula glides on a thin coat of color that intensifies as it's set to a matte, transfer-free finish with amazing staying power. You might even forget you're wearing anything on your lips at all. Play with your look and combine colors to find your own unique style. Pair it with complementary Huda Beauty lip contour to set. Features: a highly comfortable long wear liquid lipstick that dries matte with intense color payoff and transfer proof property. Wide spectrum of colors featuring timeless nudes, feminine pink, deep reds and its 90s brown to beautify your lips for hours without compressing comfort. Please note the color appearance may vary based on the skin tone once set. How to use they gave: create the perfect lip look, prep your lips to improve consistency of applications, gently exfoliate with a lip scrub, blot off any excess oil, and for maximum impact, line your lips with Huda lip contour matte pencil and fade towards the center. Apply a thin layer of liquid matte in corresponding or a lighter shade to fill it in the rest. Allow approximately 30 seconds of color to set and intensify to a opaque finish. color appears may vary based on the skin tone. So that's what they claim about this product. So I'm gonna slide down this. If you see on the transparent cover and this cardboard box, you can see Huda's lips, and it's painted with exact shade of this color, Heartbreaker. So I'm going to take this out. This is a huge tube with 5 ml product content. So if you see, this has a this one side it has a Huda Beauty mentioned, and the bottom it's mentioned color shade. This acrylic tube is velvet matte finish or kind of frosty effect appears. If I open this, you can smell the fragrance. It's heavily scented with cocoa butter cream. I think it appears like a cocoa butter cream. If I just I'll show you the wand. If you see, the wand is slightly angled, so it's easy to glide on lips. I already prepped my skin using Clinique Moisture Surge, and I applied a loose powder foundation from Smashbox Halo Hydrating range. Then I had a single coat of mascara from Benefit, they are real, and I prepped my lips using a Benny Balm from Benefit. So I'm gonna get into this. So let me apply. I'll see in single go how far it covers my lips. So in a one glide it covers entire lips, but for the wear test I'm gonna give one more coat to check how it appears. It easily gliding because of the angle. Like they said, I'm gonna leave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds I dried it. So now time is 1:30. Let me do the wear test. According to the period of time, I'll record it and I will tell the final verdict in the end. So whether it's hit or miss, whether it's non-transferable or not, I'll check it out and I'll tell you. I'm gonna do the swatch test. So this is the swatch test for the shade Heartbreaker in Huda Beauty. I am showing it in a daylight, no any artificial light. So this is how the shade appears in the Indian skin. Upcoming brides can use this shade for the marriage purpose. This is a beautiful red shade with a pink undertone. So this is good in Indian skin type. So I'm going to do the durable test, how far this lipstick is going to stay and stain in the hand or in lips. So I'm taking a normal tissue paper, I'm going to rub and see. Since it's not yet dried, but slightly it's transferring, I'm trying to rub it. So I'm using a water dipped cotton pad to check the durability. It's not going, it's like slightly it shows the tint of the lipstick in the cotton pad. So I'm going to test it with one with micellar water, one with the wet wipes. I'm testing it with micellar water. Little bit harder if you press, this comes out, but it leaves the stain. So this is how it appears. It leaves the stain, but it comes out. I'm gonna check. I'm taking a wet wipes. I'm going to check whether this goes or not. It goes in one swipe itself, but the stain is still on the hand. It's 2:55 p.m. and I'm going to have my lunch, and I'll check whether how this lipstick stain is gonna be, the durability of this lipstick. So now time is 3:45. It's been 2 hours. I had my lunch. Still so far the lipstick is not even smudged, not even transferred on. So let's see a few more hours how it appears. Hi everyone, so now the time is 9:21 p.m. Like you can see, it's like little bit smudged on the upper lips, but the lower bottom lips is still, the stain is there. I'll be showing you one more thing. It's like a chocolate, I think this month's so I had a chocolate drink from Starbucks, this month's edition. Like you can see how it got transferred to the cup. It's like complete stain got transferred on this cup. 1 more hour I'll wait. I'll have my dinner and I'll give you the final verdict. So far on the bottom the stain bar is completely stained, but on upper lips its stain is there, but it got transferred completely to the cup. So let's see. Hi everyone, so it's 10:56 p.m. I'm just gonna take off my lipstick because it's been nearly 10 hours. If you see, it gave me a strong stain, but started fading a lot. At the time when I was started eating or drinking, this completely got started fading it. Though it claims non-transferable, but slightly it's transferring, because I've shown you the Starbucks cup, so you can understand how it was stained entire cup. So yeah, this is a very good lipstick. I just love this because the stain power is good, and yeah, it was nearly 10 hours. After 1:30 I haven't reapplied the lipstick. I didn't do touch up. The same thing, I just kept it. So I'll say this is a big hit, though it's already launched, but in India it's launched now only, and this shade is very beautiful for any Indian skin tone. So yeah, it's a big hit. If you've seen, I was seeing the screen, so most of this video I'll be seeing my screen, whether it's focusing or not, whether the video is capturing properly or not. That's the reason I'm just seeing the screen. So finally I'm just gonna wipe it out with wet tissue paper to know how far the stain appears in my lips. Pretty good. It leaves stain on my lips. I can say this is a very good lipstick. I didn't even try to apply any lip balm or anything for almost 10 hours. This was gave me a nice hydration to my lips, so I never retouched it, but slightly I felt a little heavy, but nothing more than that. I can say this is the best lipstick so far I have tried. Dupe for this liquid lipstick in the shade Heartbreaker. I'm not gonna talk about the formula because they have created a major goal for this. The formula is lip hydration and also non-transferable. Durability of this stain power is amazing. So the dupe for the exact shade for the Heartbreaker is only about the shade, which is Miss Claire in the shade of 10, and Rimmel liquid lipstick in the shade Big Bang. Both these shades are 90 to 95% similar to the Heartbreaker shade. This is a reddish pink undertone shade, which is good for Indian skin type. If you are a bride to be in this year, you can choose this particular red shade. This suit any skin type. So this lipstick is launched last year, so I quickly gone through some research and I found these two dupe for this exact shade. There are beauty influencers, they created a video related towards the dupe for Huda Beauty. From there I got the source and I am telling in this. If you want, I'll be clipping it in this screen in this side. You can see Miss Claire's shade number 10 Rimmel liquid lipstick in the shade Big Bang. Here we came to the end part of this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and comment below your valuable suggestions, and also share it with your friends and everyone. Then if you like my channel, subscribe, it's free. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Bye bye, have a great day ahead.